Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start now by making sure the device is connected and the clock is accurate. Google often blocks sign-ins with wrong time. Enter the owner's email or phone in the sign-in field and tap Next. If you foresee two-step verification, keep the owner's phone or backup codes accessible. Once done, make sure you choose the right account profile when prompted, especially if multiple Google profiles exist on the device. You type the password slowly and deliberately to avoid lockouts. If autofill suggests a different account, clear it. When two-factor arrives, choose the most reliable option, the prompt on the owner's trusted device, an authenticator app code, or a backup code if offline. If a security key is set, insert or tap it now. Once the verification clears, you'll be granted access. Keep attention on any warnings about suspicious activity and follow the on-screen guidance. You finish by reviewing recovery options and confirming the device is listed under linked devices. This prevents future blocks. If sign-in fails, start the account recovery flow using the owner's recovery email or phone, answer recent activity questions, and use backup codes if available. One key troubleshooting tip: if Google flags the attempt, wait a short cooling period, then retry from a familiar device and location.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.